Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hi all. So I would like to take the next example in solving the equation as m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Now in this question what we are going to do first we are going to simplify. The first thing what we are going to do is simplify the part. That is, I am going to do the LCM and I am going to collect all the m terms on the left hand side. So for that, first of all I am going to do the LCM from here. Come on, let's do this LCM. I told you, let's multiply this. So this is going to be 2 times m minus 1 times m minus 1 divided by, multiply by the bottoms, 1 times 2. Then do the same thing on the right hand side also. 3 times 1 minus 1 times m minus 2, everything divided by 1 times 3. The purpose of doing like this is to make the denominators same. So now you open the bracket, you get this as 2m, and when minus 1 goes inside you'll get minus 1m, and then minus into minus becomes plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3 times 1 is 3, and when you multiply it by minus 1 it's minus 1m, minus into minus is plus 2 divided by 3. So it is 2m minus 1m is m plus 1 divided by 2, and this is nothing but 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 1m can be written as m divided by 3. So now the next step what you could do is you can do the cross multiplication here. So that means you get this as 3 times m plus 1 is equal to 2 times 5 minus m. So what happens when you open the bracket, you get this as 3m plus 3 equal to 10 minus 2m. So now let's bring all the m terms on one side by applying the additive inverse concept. So you get this as 10 minus 2m plus 2m. Cancel this, you get this as 5m plus 3 equal to 10. Then from here we will shift the 3 to the other side so that you get it as 5m plus 3 minus 3 equal to 10 minus 3. Cancel these two, you get 5m equal to 7. Then I am going to apply the multiplicative inverse. You know, like how to remove the 5. Just do this on both sides so that 5 will get cancelled, left out with m is equal to 7 by 5. You can either leave 7 by 5 like this, or else you can write as 1 and 2 by 5 like this, or else you can write as 1.40. All three kind of answers are possible depending upon what is the requirement of the answer type. I think you are clear in solving this kind of questions, as I already taught you how to do the checking. Suppose if you want to check with your result whether your answer is correct or not, you can do the testing of the checking result by substituting in the given question and then check whether your left hand side and right hand side are equal, and you can confirm the answer. Now I hope so that you are clear with this question. Having done this level of question, let me finish one more level. After watching my video, you all will get the confidence to solve this kind of questions as well. So first of all, what is the meaning? Because I have noticed many times that this kind of question comes, many students they become panic just because they will get confused, like where to do multiplication, where to do addition, where to do subtraction, what sign I have to put. So many questions raises in their mind. Now for you to be clear with that, I'm just going to do with the basic detailed information of how am I going to do it. So for that I will show you actually what is happening, even though you don't have to follow this step when you're solving it, but you will be able to understand in a very clear way when you're going to follow this step what I'm going to do it now. So what is the meaning of this part? First of all, this means 3 times 5z. Then what you do is put the same sign minus. Then the next one is you are going to multiply 3 by 7. This is what actually the meaning of it. Then go to this one. This means minus 2 times 9z. Then this is minus, this is minus. Minus into minus is plus. Multiply this 2 by 11. 2 times 11. So we are done with left hand side. Do the same thing with the right hand side. This means 4 times 8z. Then put the minus sign and then multiply 4 by 13 and then keep the 17 as such. This is actually what is the meaning of it. What we did now is we just opened the bracket. Okay, we just opened the bracket. What is by opening the bracket is multiplying by the number which is before the bracket and then opening the bracket and multiplying the content and keeping it ready for the next process. Now we'll start. What is this one? This means 15z minus what is this one? 21 minus what is this one? It's 18z. Then plus what is this one? It is 22. So we are done with left hand side. Do the same thing in the right hand side. What is this one? It is called 32z. And what is this one? Don't forget to put the sign 52. And then finally you put 17. I hope so that you are all clear. Now collect all the z's, collect all the ones. So 15z minus 18z. When you do it, you get minus 3z. Then minus 21 plus 22. You get plus 1 is equal to 32z minus 52 minus 17, which is minus 69. This is what the simplified form. So I got the simplification by doing these 3 steps from here. So now you know what to do it for additive inverse. So minus 3z minus 32z plus 1 is equal to, this step I am doing it in order to bring the 32z to the left hand side and combine with minus 3z. By that what happens? These two get cancelled. I get this as minus 35z, and now what you do is take the 1 to the other side. So when I am taking it to the other side, you know like that I have to do it on both sides. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. I get minus 35z is equal to minus 70. If you want, you can cancel the minus on both sides. Left out with 35z equal to 70. Now we are on the last step. I told you are supposed to multiply it by its additive inverse. Multiplying by additive inverse is nothing but dividing by the same number. So that means I can do 70 divided by 35. By that what happens? 35 get cancelled. You get the value z is equal to 2. So z is equal to 2 is considered to be as the solution of this lengthy equation. And I already told you how to check the values. You can use those earlier videos which I taught you how to do the check the videos. Substitute the z value always in the given equation and see whether you are getting your left hand side is equal to right hand side. And if it is the same as I told you, you can confirm that z is equal to 2 is the solution. So having done around 12 questions based on solving linear equations in one variable by taking different levels of questions starting from the beginning of that, I think you all must be clear with the concept of solving linear equations. Now any kind of question comes, I hope so that you all will be able to solve independently without anyone's help. So thank you for watching this video. Catch you in the next video.